Hello everybody, this is Rodney Sam from Realty One Group Zoom. Today I'm making a special announcement that this upcoming weekend, which is on Saturday, August 28 and also Sunday, August 29, I will be hosting an open house from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So this is going to be on 16842 North Midway Road in Tracy. So this house is a 3-bedroom house, 2 full baths, 1,921 square feet living space, and this is sitting on a 360 degree mountain top with a 42 acre of land. So this house is built in 1979. So offer price is 1.9 million. So with this kind of land you can build your own village. So please, this Saturday, this Sunday, if you have a chance, please come to my open house. I would be greatly appreciated. But you know, look at that, it's just your investment. Also build your own, live off the land, or either that you can lease it out for a solar company that they can farm in the solar energy. But that's just only a small suggestion from me. But please, when you have a chance, just to come by and take a look and what you can do. So once again, this is for my opening house, and thank you Uncle Henry, I call him Big Brother, that gave me the opportunity to host this house.